I'll make another tip here. When it comes to the hotel reservations, a lot of times the trade shows will book up blocks of hotels. And so all the hotel reservations are extremely expensive. So a little tip is that when you go to these big trade shows, if the rooms are too expensive and you're operating on a shoestring budget, much as Seal Shield has done in the past, go ahead and book the cheap room, because the first day of the trade show, all of a sudden the room rates dump because they drop those holds. And so if you have to spend the first night in Vegas at the Excalibur, because that was the only thing that your budget would allow, be sure to check the rooms the first day of the show, because all of a sudden the Bellagio might be the same price for the rest of the week. So plan ahead for your dinners and your experiences, but then be ready to make an adjustment the day of the show with your accommodations, because you might be able to save some money and get into a better accommodation.